Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making ham and broccoli tater tot casserole. Alright, I'm starting out here. I have roughly about 2 pounds of tater tots that I baked to the directions on the bag. Except I'm trying to heat up to 450 rather than 425 because I want to get them good and crispy. And I'm going to go ahead and put about half of them in my multi-pan. You could also do this in the 9x13 baking pan. And I don't need to spray this because this is non-stick. If you use just like a regular stainless steel pan, you're going to have to spray it with some cooking spray. And these are still hot, guys. They just came out of the oven. Alright, now I have a pound of cubed ham. I bought it already cubed to save trouble, but you could buy a ham steak and just cut up in little pieces. I'm going to spread some over my tater tots. And guys, this is going to be a quick and easy meal. And I'm going to add, let me find my hand towel. I'm going to add a little bit of salt and pepper over top of my ham and tater tots. But I'm not going to go crazy because that ham has salt in it. And the cheese that we're going to add to this will have some salt in it. Alright, now I have an 11-ounce bag of microwavable broccoli florets. I microwave for 4 minutes in the microwave, and they're hot. So I'm going to go ahead and I drain the excess liquid off of them. I'm going to go ahead and sprinkle some in there. I'll just go ahead and put them all in, guys, because there isn't much there. You could use extra broccoli if you like. And my big ones I'm just going to break up just a little bit. Try not to smush my tater tots all up. Next time I'd probably use 2 bags of that broccoli, but this will work for now. Now I have some shredded cheddar cheese. This I shredded by hand. It was an 8-ounce block of cheddar cheese. I'm going to put a healthy coating in there. Alright, put my cheese back over there. I'm going to go ahead and throw the rest of my tater tots in there. And for you folks over in Europe that can't get tater tots, I hear they don't sell them over there. You could take breakfast hash browns and you could either deep fry them or bake them, and then when they get nice and crispy, cut them up in little pieces. They'd work just fine in there. Alright, now I'm going to put more ham in there. First I'm going to put some salt and pepper in. Okay, now our ham. And guys, this is just something I thought up myself, and I'll have a few more recipes coming up that I thought up actually last night while I was sleeping. Now I'm not going to use all this ham. I'm using probably about 12 ounces of it. The rest Holly can use on her salad. I'm going to put some cheese on here. Put the rest of my cheese on, because we're not going to use this and it'll dry up in the fridge. So we might as well make this casserole extra cheesy. And when you shred your cheese yourself, it's going to melt a lot nicer than the pre-packaged cheese. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put this in a 350-degree oven uncovered for 10 to 15 minutes so that cheese melts through and that ham heats through. Then this will be ready to go. Alright, this is done. I left it go for 10 minutes. You can see the cheese is nice and melted. The ham is cooked through, and then I left it sit for a few minutes to set up a little bit. This is ready to go. Let's go ahead and fix up a plate and see what we got. Alright guys, let me get in here and give this a try. I'm going to take a piece of ham with that cheese on it and tater tot. Ham's good, that cheese is delicious. When you pre-bake your tater tots like that, they stay crispy. I'll try a piece of this broccoli. Broccoli's tender, it's not mushy. Has a good delicious broccoli flavor. You get some of that cheese in there. Guys, this is really delicious and it wasn't hard at all. Alright, there you have it. Ham and broccoli tater tot casserole. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.